Autumn here, and welcome back to my channel. This is where we whine and DIY. So if you like those kind of things, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you know when I post more videos. So for today's DIY, we are going to be making a Fortnite lamp. My daughter is obsessed with Fortnite, and you can't find any room decor Fortnite wise. I feel like I've looked everywhere. So a lot of the things I've had to DIY. So I'm going to show you one of the things that I'm going to DIY today. But first, let's pour that glass of wine. So for today's DIY, I've printed out some Fortnite silhouettes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them out, and then I'm going to tape them onto this lampshade and then spray paint it black. So that when you take off the silhouette, they should shine through when you turn the light on. Now we have our Loot Llama all cut out. We only have one more to go. We have our little guy that is doing the dab. I picked up a lampshade from Walmart, I think, and I picked up this lamp at one of the thrift stores. So if you're not looking to buy an expensive lamp, I suggest just going to a thrift store, finding one you like, because you can always DIY it. So the first things first is I'm going to spray paint this black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some painter's tape to just cover these little pieces here. There's not much to the lamp, so I don't need to take it all apart to then spray paint and put it all together. I'm not about that life. I want it to be easy. So painter's tape it is. There's really not much to the lamp, so it's going to be quick and easy. Make sure when you are buying something from the thrift store and then you're repurposing it that you give it a good clean. I already gave this a real good clean earlier. There we go. Now we are just going to let that dry. Now that the lamp piece is drying, we are going to go ahead and get started on our lamp shade. I'm going to go ahead and cover the inside pieces just in case I get some on the metal. So now I want to take my silhouettes that I cut out and tape them on to the best of my ability. We have all of our little silhouettes taped on to the best of our abilities. I'm going to do a light sweeping motion with the paint in hopes that I don't get any up under them. If you have a better tip on how to do this, then just leave that down in the comments below, because then I'll just try again. All right, going paint. Spray paint, that is. So like I said, I'm gonna try a light sweeping motion in hopes that it doesn't get up under the silhouettes. I just want to give it some last final touches to it, but I pretty much have got it surrounded or covered, but I just want to give it a couple more touches in hopes that it's not too much. Okay, so now we're gonna let it dry, so then I can peel off the silhouettes and then we'll see what it looks like. So now that the spray paint has all dried on our lamp in our lamp shade, let's see what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good for what I needed it to do. Oh yeah, I like it a lot. It's gonna look awesome. So let's take these last pieces off here. This one's easy, looks nice. So now that it's all, now that it's all spray painted, done, we are gonna go put a light bulb in this, put our lampshade on, and see what it looks like. So let's go. Let's see what it looks like on. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun DIY. If your kids love Fortnite, or you do, this is the way to go, as there's not a lot of Fortnite room decor out there, so DIYing is your best bet. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see this room tour, make sure you click right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!